So there are so many false accusations been made where people think that Indians, they are not contributing to society. And especially those who are in the renounced order of life, they are in liability to society. And Prabhupada in the I think the second canto, Prabhupada second chapter, where this verse comes, Tasmat bhajanti kavayo dhanadurmadandam. Prabhupada makes a very profound statement where he says that the renounced order of life is never meant for begging or living at the cost of others as a parasite. The dictionary meaning of the parasite is a sycophant who lives at the cost of society without making contribution to that society. But a renounced order is meant for contributing something substantial to society and not depending on the earnings of the householders. And the first duty of the person in the renounced order of life is to contribute some literary work for the benefit of the human being in order to give him realized direction towards self-realization. So yes, spirituality is about world transcending, no doubt. Spirituality teaches us about world, how to transcend this world. But this concept is not complete. It's incomplete. This conception is correct, that yes, spirituality is about world transcending. This conception is correct, but it is incomplete. Why incomplete? Because spirituality is not just about world transcending, but spirituality is also about world transforming. So, if we are only concerned about the thereafter means future, if we are only concerned about the thereafter, then we become irresponsible and apathetic towards worldly duties. But if we care only for the here and not of the thereafter, then probably we may become attached to this world and get blinded to the thereafter. So spirituality, or especially bhakti, it synergizes and balances the both, where we are being taught how to create transformation in this world by contributing, and how to transcend this world by connecting to Krishna. So bhakti has these two components, connection and contribution. So Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter, 8.7, Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mamanusmara yudhyacha. So where Krishna is telling to Arjuna that Arjuna, you can fight, or you do your duty by fighting, thereby contributing to society, and by cultivating remembrance, you can actually transcend, or by connecting to me inwards, you can actually transcend this world. So internal connection with Krishna will help us transcend, and outer contribution to society will help us transform the society.